Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best gel base and top coat is probably one of the most essential components in achieving a salon-quality, long-lasting manicure at home, acting as the crucial foundation and protective shield for your nail color. This dynamic duo works synergistically to ensure your gel polish adheres flawlessly, prevents chipping and peeling, and imparts a brilliant, glossy finish that stays intact for weeks, transforming your nail game with professional-level results and durability. Number 5. Beetles 2PCS 15ml Gel Top Coat and Base Coat Set. Discover the Beetles 2-piece Gel Top Coat and Base Coat Set, designed for a flawless manicure. Achieve a brilliant shine that lasts. Enjoy a perfect shine for over 28 days. This flexible top coat prevents chips and smudges, keeping your nails looking pristine. Our base coat is formulated to be slightly sticky, creating a solid foundation for your color polish. This ensures better adhesion and longevity. For sensitive skin, consider using a peel-off latex tape to minimize contact. This helps achieve precise application and reduces the chance of reactions. If the base coat appears thick in cold temperatures, please reach out to us. For best results, cure each layer for at least 60 seconds under an LED lamp. Proper preparation is key. Polish your nail surface, clean it with a dehydrator, and ensure adequate curing time for a long-lasting finish. What we like. This set offers exceptional longevity, keeping your nails flawless for over 28 days. Its flexible top coat prevents chips and smudges, while the sticky base coat ensures a solid foundation. If you're looking for a durable manicure that resists daily wear and tear, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This is a great product for gel manicures. It is easy to apply and provides a smooth finish. The top coat gives a long-lasting shine. Number 4. MODELONES Gel Top Coat Set. Introducing the upgraded Gel Top Coat Set from MODELONES. Get ready for a super shiny, long-lasting manicure experience. This set includes both a base coat and a top coat, essential for creating beautiful nail art. The base coat ensures great adhesion, while the top coat seals everything in for a flawless finish. Our gel base coat provides professional-level adhesion for extended wear, protecting your nails. It applies smoothly and removes easily, ensuring a gentle experience. Achieve a gorgeous, glossy finish that lasts. This wear-resistant top coat ensures your gel manicure stays chip-free and beautiful for over 30 days. Made with natural ingredients, our acid-free formula is gentle on your nails. It's perfect for beginners and DIY enthusiasts at home. We recommend a skin test before use. If you encounter any issues, please contact us directly. We're always ready to assist you. What we like. Experience a gentle yet powerful manicure with this acid-free, natural ingredient formula. It provides pro-level adhesion for over 30 days of wear without irritation. If you have sensitive nails or are looking for a healthier gel option, this set is ideal for at-home DIY enthusiasts. What people say. The dehydrator removes all the natural oils from the nail perfectly, creating a clean canvas. The primer acts like double-sided tape. My gel nails now last 3+ weeks without any lifting at the edges. It makes whatever polish you have off shine and almost gives it a wet look. This top coat lasts for as long as you have your set and does not chip or look dull. Number 3. IBD Intense Seal No Cleanse Top Coat. Introducing the IBD Intense Seal No Cleanse Top Coat. Achieve a perfect, glossy finish without the need for wiping, saving you time and effort. It cures rapidly under both LED and UV lamps, ensuring a quick and efficient application. Get a professional, mirror-like shine every time. Experience a long-lasting, glass-like shine that resists dulling and yellowing. It beautifully enhances your gel polish applications. This top coat is perfect for gel nails, acrylics, dip systems, and nail wraps. It seals and protects all your nail enhancements with ease. It seals and protects your nails while enhancing their clarity and brightness. Enjoy a beautiful finish without any prior buffing. What we like. Achieve a stunning, durable, glass-like shine that resists dulling and yellowing. This No Cleanse top coat works seamlessly with gel and acrylics, providing a professional finish every time. If you desire a mirror-like finish that lasts and is compatible with various nail systems, this is your go-to product. What people say. It leaves my nails with a beautiful finish shine and it is not sticky. This top coat is thick, not thin, wonderful viscosity when you need to fill in imperfections. It's no wipe. That's my favorite part. There's no sticky, nasty coating you have to wipe off with alcohol. It's perfect right out of the UV light oven. Number 2. Beetles Gel Polish Kit Modern Muse Collection. Introducing the Beetles Gel Polish Kit, Modern Muse Collection. This set offers a curated selection of 20 stunning shades, perfect for expressing your unique style. Explore a spectrum of popular colors, from vibrant pinks and glitters to sophisticated nudes and grays. With this collection, you'll never have to compromise on your desired look. This kit includes everything you need: 20 mini gel polish colors and 3 essential coats: base, glossy top, and matte top. Achieve a professional finish every time. Enjoy a flawless manicure for over 28 days with a brilliant shine. Proper application with our base and top coats, and curing under UV LED light, ensures lasting beauty. Presented in an elegant gift box, this set makes an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or anniversaries. Surprise someone special with the gift of beautiful nails. Designed for professional use, this gel polish ensures a high-quality finish. Always follow the directions for safe and optimal application. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a wide array of 20 trendy gel polish colors, perfect for any occasion. It includes essential base and top coats for a complete manicure experience. If you love variety and are looking for a perfect gift set for a nail art enthusiast, this collection is an excellent choice. What people say. This gel base coat and top coat set is a game changer for at-home manicures. The base coat provides excellent adhesion, preventing lifting and ensuring a smooth canvas for color application. The top coat delivers a high-gloss, chip-resistant finish that lasts for weeks. Both cure quickly under UV LED lamps, making the application process efficient and professional looking. The formula is self-leveling, which helps achieve a flawless finish even for beginners. I've tried many gel top and base coats, and this one is by far the best. The base coat is not too thick or too thin, and it cures perfectly without any sticky residue. The top coat is incredibly shiny and durable, resisting scratches and chips exceptionally well. It truly extends the life of my gel polish manicures, keeping them looking fresh and new for an extended period. The bottles are also a good size, offering plenty of product for multiple uses. Number 1. IBD Non-Acidic Nail Primer and Bonder. Introducing our non-acidic nail primer. Its low-odor formula gently preps your natural nails, ensuring strong adhesion for gel products while keeping your nails comfortable. Experience enhanced bonding for flawless application. This primer significantly boosts adhesion, reducing lifting and peeling for incredibly long-lasting wear. Achieve a seamless finish with its thin, easy-to-apply consistency. It coats the nail evenly, creating the perfect clean base for your gel polish. Get efficient results with our fast-curing formula. It cures in just 30 seconds under LED or 3 minutes under UV light, without compromising performance. This primer is designed to complement all IBD LED UV gels. It's ideal for prepping natural nails and ensuring a smooth surface for beautiful enhancements. What we like. Prep your nails for superior gel adhesion with this low-odor, non-acidic primer. Its thin viscosity ensures easy, even application, promoting strong bonding without discomfort. If you're aiming for maximum longevity and want to reduce lifting or peeling in your gel applications, this primer is a must-have. What people say. My nails kept lifting and this was all I needed to fix that. I tested it out on my husband's pinky nail and let me tell you, he's a lineman and has some rough days at work and he's due for a refill. His nail is going on week 3 and it's still going strong. I feel like my nails adhere better with this binder and it's so easy to use. I love the brush application. My nails were done 2 weeks ago in this picture and the binder is still holding strong. I love this primer. I love that you cure it and helps my manicure last longer. I feel like it's on the higher quality end of primers. Doesn't burn or anything. Easy to apply. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.